There was a man named Arin. Arin lived in a small village near the forest. Arin was a kind man. He worked every day, but something strange always happened. Every day something went wrong. One morning, Arin woke up early. He wanted to go to the market and sell apples, but when he opened the door, the basket fell. All the apples rolled on the ground. "Oh no," Arin said sadly. He spent a long time picking the apples again. Because of this, he went to the market late. When he arrived, the market was almost empty. Arin sighed. "Why do bad things always happen to me?" he said. The next day, Arin wanted to go to the forest to collect wood. But when he walked outside, dark clouds came. Soon heavy rain started. Arin could not go to the forest. He sat in his small house and looked out of the window. "Again," he said quietly. On the third day, Arin tried again. "I will go early today," he said. He started walking to the forest. But on the road, he saw something small. Something was moving on the ground. It was a tiny bird. The little bird had a hurt wing. Arin stopped. "Oh, it's a poor little bird," he said. He gently picked up the bird. Now he was late again. Arin carried the bird home. He made a small bed with soft cloth, gave the bird some water and bread. Days passed. Arin took care of the bird every day. Slowly, the bird became stronger. One morning, the bird was very happy. It flew around the room. "Your wing is better now," Arin said with a smile. Arin opened the window. "You're free now, little friend." The bird flew into the sky. Arin watched it. He felt happy, but also a little lonely. A few days later, something surprising happened. The little bird came back, but it was not alone. Many birds came with it. They flew around Arin's house. Then they went to his garden. The birds dropped many small seeds on the ground. Arin did not understand. "What are they doing?" he said. Weeks passed. Something amazing happened. Beautiful plants started to grow in Arin's garden. Flowers, fruit trees, berry bushes. Arin's garden became colorful and full of life. Soon, people from other villages came to see the beautiful garden. They bought fruits and flowers from Arin. Arin was surprised. His small garden became very famous. One evening, Arin sat in the garden. The little bird sat on the tree. Arin smiled. Then he understood something. If the apples did not fall, if the rain did not come, if I was not late, I would not see the little bird, and this garden would never exist. Arin looked at the sky and said softly, "Sometimes bad things are not really bad. Sometimes they are the beginning of something beautiful." The little bird sang happily, and Arin never forgot this lesson. Sometimes every problem is a hidden gift. You just took a small step in English. Keep learning and see more stories like this. Follow for more English lessons and stories.